Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing that how you can use the Canva free features to make a flyer or any poster which you can use on the social media platform for free. There are a few tricks which you can use to successfully make a good looking professional flyer very easily in just under 5 minutes. So let's try with an example. So let's say you want to use some flyer in the topic of travel. So once you search for travel templates, you will be given a few options. Some will be paid, which are marked as pro, and some will be unpaid, so you don't see any crown symbol underneath. So that means you can use these as a free member, but you cannot use this pro template. For that you have to be a paid member. So you can just go and use any unpaid template like this, and you can customize it. If you are interested in filtering the templates based on whether it's paid or not, what you can do is you can just type in your keyword like travel, and like I said, this gives you both paid and unpaid options. So you can just use the filter and go down there and choose free, and you will just be given the templates which are free, so you don't have to bother whether a particular template is paid or not. Let's say you choose a particular template and you unpaid template, and you customize it. Now there is a possibility that even in the unpaid templates you have the paid or the premium images or features, which you will face issues when you go to share and download this after making your customizations. Let's say my document, and after doing all the customizations you go and download. So in this particular template there was no premium feature, so that's why it just downloaded this template as is. However, there can be situations where you choose like unpaid template. Like for example, if you take this example, for instance, this is an unpaid template, so it is letting me try it, but it does have some images or some icons which are paid. And one way to identify those icons is that they will have like some watermarks, and even on the top it says remove watermarks. Once you click it, it asks you to purchase it, which obviously we don't want in as a scope of this video, right? Because it says just it has 3 premium images which you, if remove, you can download this image, right? So what you can do is you can just delete this thing, this image, and just go and use your customized images which you may have, like for example, you just put it here, your image, delete them. But there are some cases when these premium images or icons are hidden behind a particular layer, so you may, when you may go to the download page, and you may still get an error that some of the images are still premium images, and you may have to pay for the license in order to download this image. So if you want to identify those images, like for example in this case we have this arrow sign, and if it is not quite visible, what you can also do is you can go to position, and if you look at position, there is layers section over here which actually identifies all the elements which are using in this design. So in this, basically you can easily identify for example this arrow sign which is paid, and you can just delete it from here as well. So this is especially useful when these paid features are hidden and you cannot see it visually on top and here. So once you delete all these premium images, you can just go to share and download, and your image will start to download without any problem. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please hit subscribe button. Thank you very much.